description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramenator coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. So today we've got this. It's part of a Meet the Manufacturer series. This is YY from CG, and this is their quick chicken pizza. Yeah, chicken pizza. Sounds good to me. It's Monday, the 18th of August, 2025. And it's a day, quite a day. So this weekend has been a good weekend. We did a bunch of stuff and things, both things that I enjoy thoroughly. Stuff, things, you know. And I will get into that momentarily. But first, let's ready this up. Is this? Yeah, okay, we're good. So let's add in the seasoning and the oil. And boil it for 3 minutes. And yeah, you get to watch. I'm doing all these this way today, so got a few more to go in this series. I've let's see, there's after today, I'll do 3 today, and then it'll be 4 more to do, including a snack variety, which I'm really curious about. But yeah, we went and did some softball practice with my daughter, did a bunch of video and photos, and got some intros and outros, did some time lapse. Well, it's not time lapse, it's just putting the GoPro on 240 frames a second and then slowing that down to 30. Excuse me. And everything looks to be slow motion. It's a pretty neat. I like it. And yeah, what else this weekend? Oh yeah, we used my wife and daughter made cookie dough. Tomorrow is my son's 10th birthday. Miles will be 10, and that's crazy and cool. And they made cookie dough in it, and they're gonna make him a big chocolate chip cookie. So that's cool. What else? There's other things I did. Oh no, we went and got together a bunch of stuff finished up all the shopping for all the school junk. I don't know, when I was a kid, I don't remember that my mom had to go around and get like, there wasn't a list of things that you had to get for school when I was a kid. I think maybe there was, and I just was tuned out of that because I was a kid. But yeah, there's just like this huge list. It's like, man, why so much? I think I boiled this a little hard. Chicken pizza though, that's interesting, huh? I would like there to be visible broth. Bring on the visible broth. I wonder if this is supposed to be 2 minutes, like 2-minute noodles. I don't know, but I don't want it to boil too hard, you know what I'm saying? Chicken pizza. I know it's going to be hot. I always thought it'd be interesting to make like a really pizza instant. I've had a lot of them. Some of them just have a lot of oregano or basil or things like that. But I've never had one that has like, well, maybe I have, like with pepperoni and cheese and all that. I think I know who will make one of those. I've told them to several times. Anyways, chicken pizza. And also, I have no idea if you went to a restaurant that serves pizza in Nepal. I'm guessing the pizza would be very much different than the pizza we have here. I have no idea what kind it would be. Or what, how they do it. Like Japanese pizza has egg and mayo on it, so I expect something equally as different. Here we go. Cheers. The broth. It's definitely got that basil oregano thing going on. I'm definitely getting that herbal bump out of it. But as far as me going, hey, that tastes like a pizza. Nah. Pizza has such a texture component to it that it's kind of hard to equivocate that in a noodle. Unless you've got a lot of extra stuff going on. It's nice though. The broth slash sauce has a nice bit of oiliness to it. It tastes good. I like that. I could scarf that down. I could eat it all. I really could. I'm pretty hungry actually. I haven't had anything to eat today. Usually when I do this show, I haven't had anything to eat, and then I'll just have like a couple bites of 3 different varieties and maybe eat a little bit of garnish, and that's all I have until I have lunch. It's okay. As you can tell, I'm not starving. Like I was saying about basil, I've got some basil herb here. And I think that might work out. And gotta go get more scallion. And nothing wrong with some crushed red pepper on this. I don't have any mozzarella cheese. I don't have anything like that. But I think this will work. He's good. I like. Maybe I should tell the kids that they don't have to watch Perry Mason. I'm certainly not watching it. Well, watch it rotate, and I'll go tell them they can change the channel on the television. I have a frog in my throat. I don't have any frog to cook though. But the next one you're going to see is this CGYY hot and spicy quick instant noodles. And that'll be on the next episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This has been Hans the Ramen Hater wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.